Welcome to Spring LIB.
Hello, we are given this quotient or ratio of complex numbers 7 minus 3i divided by 4 minus 3i. We have to find the value of this quotient. That is, this is a complex number and we have to write it in the a plus ib form. We have to write it in this form. Okay, now given this complex number, the first step in writing it in a plus ib form is to multiply the denominator by its complex conjugate. Multiply the numerator and denominator with the complex conjugate of the denominator. Now the complex conjugate of this number is 4 plus 3i. So we will multiply 4 plus 3i to the numerator and denominator. Now since we are multiplying the same complex number to the numerator and denominator, the complex number does not change. Okay, so what we have, okay, so this thing is 7 minus 3i divided by 4 minus 3i, but we will multiply the conjugate of this thing, which is 4 plus 3i, to the numerator and denominator. Then the value of this complex number will not change. So, and then we will multiply these two complex numbers and these two complex numbers. When we multiply these two complex numbers, we get 7 times 4 is 28 minus 3i plus 3i is minus 9. Uh, well, let me do it properly. So we are just multiplying. Okay, 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 3i is 21i. Minus 3i times 4 is minus 12i. Minus 3i times 3i is minus 9i square divided by, now these are, we can use a minus b, a plus b formula. We will get 4 square minus, well, we could, since z times z bar equal to magnitude of z square for a complex number, or we can use this, or we can just multiply. 4 we are using a minus b, a plus b formula, so it is a square minus b square, which is 3i. 3i square is 9i square. Now the denominator is equal to 4 square. Now I square is minus 1, so minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 1. So we'll have 4 square plus 9 square. Sorry, we will have 4 square plus 9. In fact, let me write it as 16 plus 9. We can, we could have written it here itself. 16 minus 9 I square. Okay. So in the denominator we have I square is minus 1, so minus 1 minus 1 is plus 1, so 16 plus 9, which is 25. So we have 25 in the denominator, and let us multiply let us simplify this thing. So again, I square is minus 1, minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 1, so this becomes plus 9. So 28 plus 9 is 37, and 21i minus 12i is minus 9i. Sorry, this 21i minus 12i is 9i plus 9i. So we have this thing which is equal to 30. Since this is a real number, we can divide like this: 37 by 25, this thing, plus 9 by 25, this thing. So this is the quotient. So this is the quotient. We have that 7 minus 3i divided by 4 minus 3i. This thing is 37 by 25 plus 9 by 25 times I. This is in the a plus ib form. So this is the real part of the quotient. This is the imaginary part of the quotient. And this completes our solution of this question. I hope this is useful. Thank you.